The Maldives. Just the name evokes images of paradise, a place where dreams come to life and worries melt away. This enchanting archipelago, scattered across the Indian Ocean like a string of pearls, is the ultimate escape. Each island, with its unique charm, offers a sanctuary of peace and beauty. Picture this: pristine white beaches, crystal-clear turquoise waters, and luxurious overwater bungalows. Imagine waking up to the gentle sound of waves and stepping out onto your private deck to witness the sunrise over the horizon. This is the Maldives, a dream destination that exceeds even the wildest expectations. Here, luxury meets nature in perfect harmony, creating an experience that is both opulent and serene. The Maldives is a place where time seems to slow down, where every moment is savored and every experience is cherished. It's a place to disconnect from the everyday and reconnect with yourself and the natural world. Whether you find peace in a hammock by the beach or a meditative walk along the shore, the Maldives offers a sanctuary for the soul. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, the Maldives has something for everyone. Dive into the vibrant coral reefs, indulge in a rejuvenating spa treatment, or paddle through the clear waters in a kayak. Get ready to discover a world of unparalleled beauty and tranquility. The underwater world is just as mesmerizing, with colorful marine life and coral gardens waiting to be explored. The moment you step off the plane, you're greeted by the warm, humid air and the gentle sound of waves lapping against the shore. The journey to your resort is an adventure in itself, often involving a scenic boat ride or a seaplane flight over the stunning atolls. The scent of salt air and tropical flowers fills your senses, creating an intoxicating blend that instantly relaxes you. This is the magic of the Maldives. It's a place where every detail, from the swaying palm trees to the vibrant flowers, adds to the enchanting atmosphere. It's a place that captivates your heart and soul from the moment you arrive. The sunsets here are nothing short of spectacular, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of this tropical paradise. From the bustling local markets to the traditional dance performances, there's so much to explore and experience. From its stunning natural beauty to its vibrant culture and warm hospitality, the Maldives promises an unforgettable experience. The locals, with their welcoming smiles and rich traditions, add a unique charm to this island nation. Get ready to discover why this island nation is truly a dream destination. Whether it's the luxurious resorts, the breathtaking landscapes, or the rich cultural heritage, the Maldives offers a slice of paradise that is unmatched. The Maldives, located southwest of Sri Lanka and India, is a tropical paradise that seems almost too beautiful to be real. This nation of islands is a marvel of nature, a place where the land meets the sea in the most spectacular way. 26 atolls, each a ring-shaped coral reef, make up this archipelago, creating a unique and intricate pattern on the ocean's surface. Imagine a chain of over 1,190 coral islands, each one more beautiful than the last, scattered like pearls across the Indian Ocean. That's the Maldives, a place where every island has its own charm and allure. These islands are tiny, most barely peeking above the turquoise waters, yet they hold a world of wonder within their shores. But what they lack in size, they more than make up for in beauty, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The Maldives is a picture of contrasts, where lush green vegetation meets pristine white sand beaches. Lush green vegetation covers the islands, a stark contrast to the brilliant white sand beaches that line the shores, creating a stunning visual feast. The shallow lagoons, with their shimmering turquoise waters, give way to the deep blue of the open ocean, a transition that is as mesmerizing as it is beautiful. The underwater world is just as captivating, if not more so. Coral reefs teem with life, creating a vibrant underwater ecosystem that is a sight to behold. Vividly colored fish dart in and out of the coral, adding splashes of color to the underwater landscape. Graceful manta rays and gentle whale sharks glide through the depths, moving with an elegance that is almost otherworldly. It's a diver's and snorkeler's paradise, offering an unparalleled opportunity to explore the wonders of the ocean. The Maldives is a place where nature reigns supreme, untouched and unspoiled by human hands. The islands are a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world, a reminder of the incredible diversity and richness of our planet. It's a place to marvel at the raw, untamed beauty of the ocean and its inhabitants, a place where you can truly connect with nature in its purest form. The Maldives is an aquatic playground. Warm, crystal-clear waters invite you in. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a first-time snorkeler, the underwater world will amaze you. Grab your mask and fins and prepare to be mesmerized. Coral reefs, teeming with marine life, surround almost every island. Swim amongst schools of colorful fish, spot graceful sea turtles gliding by. If you're lucky, you might even encounter a reef shark or a manta ray. For the adventurous, there are plenty of water sports to get your adrenaline pumping. Feel the wind in your hair as you skim across the waves on a jet ski. Try your hand at windsurfing or kite surfing. Or, for a more relaxing experience, go for a leisurely paddleboard or kayak trip. Diving in the Maldives is an experience unlike any other. Explore shipwrecks, home to a myriad of marine creatures. Dive with whale sharks, the gentle giants of the ocean. The Maldives offers a diving experience for every level, from beginner to advanced. The Maldives is a water lover's paradise. With so much to see and do, you'll never want to leave the water. Section 4. A room with a view, overwater bungalows, and luxury accommodation. Imagine waking up to the sound of the ocean lapping beneath your feet, stepping out onto your private deck and diving into the crystal clear water. This is the reality of staying in an overwater bungalow in the Maldives. Overwater bungalows are synonymous with the Maldives. They are the ultimate symbol of luxury and seclusion. These iconic accommodations offer unparalleled views of the Indian Ocean. Each bungalow is a private oasis, perched above the turquoise waters. But the Maldives offers more than just overwater bungalows. Luxury resorts cater to every whim. Choose from beachfront villas, nestled amongst lush vegetation. Or opt for a private island experience, where you'll have your own stretch of paradise. Indulge in world-class amenities. Relax in your private infinity pool. Enjoy a couple's massage at the overwater spa. Dine on gourmet cuisine, prepared by world-renowned chefs. The Maldives is a place to indulge in the finer things in life. Whether you're seeking a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a solo adventure, the Maldives has the perfect accommodation to suit your needs. Section 5. A taste of paradise Maldivian cuisine and culture. The Maldives, known for its stunning beaches and luxurious resorts, also boasts a rich culinary heritage that is as vibrant and diverse as its culture. Maldivian cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors, offering a unique blend of tastes that reflect the archipelago's diverse influences. Influenced by Sri Lankan, Indian, and Arabic culinary traditions, Maldivian cuisine is a treat for the senses. The use of spices and fresh ingredients creates a symphony of flavors that is both exotic and comforting. Fresh seafood is at the heart of Maldivian cuisine. The surrounding Indian Ocean provides an abundance of fish and seafood, making it a staple in many dishes. Tuna, in particular, features prominently in many dishes. It is often prepared in various ways, from grilling to smoking, and is a key ingredient in many traditional recipes. Try mashuni, a traditional Maldivian breakfast dish that is both simple and flavorful. This flavorful combination of shredded smoked tuna, grated coconut, onions, and chili is typically served with flatbread. It's a perfect way to start your day with a taste of the Maldives. Sample garudia, a fragrant fish broth that is a staple in Maldivian households. Often flavored with lime, chili, and curry leaves, this dish is both nourishing and delicious. Don't leave the Maldives without trying hedika. These savory snacks are a must-try for anyone looking to experience authentic Maldivian street food. These savory snacks, often filled with tuna, coconut, and spices, are a popular street food. They come in various forms, from deep-fried to baked, each offering a unique taste experience. For a sweet treat, indulge in boni. This traditional Maldivian dessert is a delightful way to end any meal. This Maldivian dessert, made with mashed sweet potato and coconut milk, is a delicious way to end any meal. The creamy texture and sweet flavor make it a favorite among locals and visitors alike. Beyond the food, Maldivian culture is rich and vibrant. The islands are home to a variety of cultural traditions that are celebrated with great enthusiasm. Islam plays a significant role in everyday life. The call to prayer can be heard throughout the islands, and mosques are central to community life. The traditional Badubaru drumming and dancing is a sight to behold. This energetic performance is a key part of Maldivian cultural celebrations and showcases the island's musical heritage. The intricate lacquer work, made from wood and lacquer, is a testament to Maldivian craftsmanship. These beautifully crafted items are often used in traditional ceremonies and make for unique souvenirs. When visiting the Maldives, it's important to be respectful of local customs and traditions. Understanding and observing these customs will enrich your experience and show respect to the local community. Dress modestly when visiting inhabited islands. This shows respect for the local culture and helps you blend in more comfortably. Avoid public displays of affection. While the Maldives is a popular destination for couples, it's important to be mindful of local customs regarding public behavior. And remember, alcohol is only permitted on resort islands. Enjoy your drinks responsibly and be aware of the local regulations regarding alcohol consumption.